Our project is about a restaurant themed minigame. Players can choose from the 3 customers and make the dishes according to the recipe. The 3 dishes are simple and healthy breakfast ideas that you guys can make it in real life. You can always follow the recipe to try them out at home.
Not really. We are pretty satisfied with the final outcome, and we would think that this is the best one for now.
For the recipes, we actually intended to make drag and drop effects so that the game is more interactive. But later on, we found out that we couldn't work it out, so we changed our mind and replaced it with a simpler way.
We call it the clicking effect. Basically, players just have to click on the objects according to the instructions to proceed with the recipe. This is way easier to make than the drag and drop effects, so we decided to use the clicking effect in the end.